Hello viewers, welcome to Languages with Passion. Today we are going to read again Arabic news from Al Jazeera, Arabic and translation into English. So let's get started. Let's go through first headline. So السعودية تجبر قوارب إيرانية على مغادرة مياهها وطهران تتحدث عن صيادين. السعودية, it is subject and feminine, that's why the verb is also feminine. تجبر, فهي تجبر قوارب إيرانية. Here I just want to tell you a grammar rule which is called in Arabic غير منصرف and English inflectionless. Okay, so it is a kind of noun which can't accept never, tanween and kasra. Okay, whenever it come in place of kasra, so we have to give this fatha. Okay, and it also can't accept any tanween. So qawariba iraniyatan. You can go any grammar book for further details. Ajbara yujbiru ijbaran, to compel. Okay, and this verb always will come with preposition ala. So if you are forcing, if you are compelling to something, so to which you are compelling, so on which, on that infinitive or gerund ala will come. Okay, so always remember that ajbara ala. مثلا, for example, I'm giving you أنا أجبرتك على التكلم. I forced you to speak. Okay, على مغادرة مياه. غادر يغادر مغادرة, to leave, to quit. ماء جمع مياه, water. طهران تحدث يتحدث تحدثا, to speak about. صياد صاد يصيد صيدا, to hunter, to fish, to catch. صياد fisherman and hunter. صيادين is plural. Okay, so Saudi Arabia forces, السعودية تجبر. And remember, heading always will come in present tense. In present tense. So here in Arabic, فعل مضارع is used, and which indicate present as well as future. Okay, forces Iranian boats to leave its waters. And Tehran talks about fishermen. Fishermen, man is singular and men is plural. Okay, let's go further. قال حرس الحدود السعودي أمس السبت إنه أجبر 3 قوارب إيرانية على الانسحاب من المياه الإقليمية السعودية بعد إطلاق الحرس طلقات تحذيرية. بالمقابل قال مسؤول عسكري في البحرية الإيرانية إن حرس الحدود السعودي أطلق النار على صيادين إيرانيين دخلوا إلى المياه الإقليمية للمملكة. قال واو. حارس جمع حراس أو حرس, guard. حرس يحرس حرسا وحراسة, to watch over, to guard, to observe, to protect, like this. الحدود السعودي, it is a possession. Okay, حرس الحدود السعودي أمس. أنه أجبر 3 قوارب. I told you أجبر always will come with preposition على. So here على الانسحاب, they forced to withdraw, to pull back, to move back على الانسحاب from territorial waters سعودي territorial water بعد إطلاق الحرس طلقات تحذيرية. أطلق يطلق إطلاق it is infinitive or gerund and it is مضاف is possessed noun and حرس is possession. Okay, so here is مضاف and infinitive or gerund, but remember that infinitive and gerund in Arabic always act such as just like verb. What is sign of verb? Sign of verb is verb has subject as well as object. So here also itlaq has subject which is haras and object talaqatin tahziriyatan. Okay. بالمقابل on the other hand in return قال مسؤول عسكري في البحرية الإيرانية adjective both إن حرس الحدود السعودي. And one thing remember that it is called whenever inna or anna, suppose that whenever come in between two sentences, so there will be anna not inna, but after kala it is necessary to be read as inna, okay, because next sentence is maqula of kala. Okay, so remember that after kala here is also kala harasul hudud amsi as-sabt innahu ajbara. So and as like here inna haras al-hudud as-saudiyyati as-saudiyyi atlaqa an-nara. So what meaning atlaqa yutliqu to fire الصيادين دخلوا to enter إلى المياه الإقليمية للمملكة. Let's see English. Saudi Arabia border guard said yesterday, and I didn't translate Saturday. Okay, yesterday means also is Saturday, because whenever you are reading news, so it's narrate and inform before one day, yesterday. Okay, so that they forced 3 Iranian boats. About what they force? Ala al-insihab. So boats to withdraw from Saudi territorial waters after the guards have fired warning shots. Talqatun jama talaqat, shot. Tahziriya, it is object and it is noun. Okay, so both is objective. So shots. In return or on the other hand, in return a military official in the Iranian Navy, fil Bahriya al-Iraniya, Iranian Navy, said that Saudi border guards fired on Iranian fishermen who entered the kingdom's territorial waters. Okay, so dakhala yadkhulu dukhulan, to enter, and dakhala sometime come with preposition fi and ila, but sometimes without any preposition, as we read in Quran, udkhulu fi silmi kafa, in another place is فادخلي في عبادي وادخلي جنتي. So in that place there is direct dakhala came. Okay, so let's see some words. harisun jama harasun wa hurrasun, guard, watchman, warden. ajbara yujbiru ijbaran ala shay, to force, to compel, to do something. qarib jama qawarib, boat, ship. insahaba yansahibu insihaban, to withdraw, to retreat. al-miyahul iqlimiya, territorial waters. Al-iqlim called territory or province, and al-iqlimi territorial. Ma'un jama miya, water. Let's go further. ونقل وكالة أو وكالة الأنباء السعودية الرسمية. وكالة الأنباء السعودية الرسمية. Because see, وكالة is مضاف and as well as noun of object, which is Saudiya and Rasmiya. So this is subject of this is objective of wakala. Okay, so it will be same in a i'rab. Okay, so السعودية الرسمية نقل عن المتحدث باسم حرس الحدود قوله في بيان أن دوريات الحرس رصدت 3 قوارب إيرانية بعد دخولها المياه السعودية، حيث تم على الفور متابعتها وتوجيه إنذارات متذكرة إليها بالتوقف، إلا أنها رفضت التجاوب. So نقل verb and وكالة الأنباء السعودية is subject and عن preposition المتحدث باسم حرس الحدود. Okay, and مجرور. So with preposition this whole عن المتحدث باسم حرس الحدود related to نقل. And قوله is object of نقل, objective of نقل, and who zamir is returning to المتحدث باسم. Actually the agency al-wakala, the agency or to wakala agency has transferred, narrated, okay, copied the from spokespersons his words, his saying. What kind of words, what kind of saying which he delivered in a statement, what he delivered, and that is further is coming what he delivered that anna dawariyat al-haras, okay, rasadat. So let's see متابعة حيث تم متابعتها. تم يتم تماما, to finish, to be completed, على الفور immediately. So تابع يتابع متابعة to follow, and متابعة is subject of تم. And I'm giving you example. تم القبض على اللص, the thief was arrested. or تم الإلغاء على التطبيق, the app was banned. Okay, so tamma is not necessary in translation. Okay, it is the way of using in Arabic. Okay, so tamma mutaba'atuha wa tawjihuha, it is conjunction, and that is conjuncting توجيه إنذارات متذكرة إليها with متابعة. Okay, so توجيه is also will become the subject. توجيه إنذارات. Actually توجيه is possessed noun and إنذارات متكررة is possession. Okay, so بالتوقف. إنذار, he warned. to أنذر ينذر إنذارا, to warn. To warn for about, for what about. So to warn, to stop. Okay, anzara, ba related to anzara. Okay, or you can also say tawjihu, to guide, to issue, to direct. And so he directed, which dawriyatul haras, they directed, they issued, they guided. For what? For stopping. Okay, إلا أنها رفضت التجاوب, but he declined. تجاوب يتجاوب, to answer, to respond. Okay, let's see English. Saudi's official press agency quoted saying of spokesperson for the border guard in a statement في بيان. المتحدث باسمي spokesperson or spokesman. Okay, I will tell you that guard patrol monitored patrol دورية جمع دوريات. It is patrol. So what is patrol? That patrol we used in motorcycle and in motor and in any machine. That not like that. It is another patrol, and that petrol with E, Petrol, petrol. That is called in Arabic an-naft. Walakin, but here is petrol with A, and each meaning is uh, a group of police, a group of guard which wander, which roam here and there to monitor, to observe, to protect the area, okay, Pacific area. It is called. Okay, monitor three Iranian boats after entering Saudi water, where they were followed up immediately. Followed up immediately. I said it is not necessary to translate of Tamma. Okay, so just I translated directly to followed up in a passive voice. Okay, followed up immediately and frequent warnings. Takarrara yatakarraru, to repeat, to be frequent. Okay, frequent bar. Warnings issued to them. To them, to them wa. Hazamir is returning to, and this is returning to Qawariba Iraniya. So issued to them. Okay, and remember that non-human or unwise noun in Arabic and their plural always be considered as feminine and singular. Okay, so qarib, it is not in kind of human. Okay, qarib is both not a kind of human or any wisdom creature. Okay, so that's why it is considered as feminine and singular. That's why its zamir, and which is called pronoun, is returning in a feminine and singular. Okay, so issued to them to stop, but they refuse to respond. Okay, let's see words. Wakalatul amba or wakalatul amba, nabaun jama amba, news agency or press agency. Nabaun jama amba, actual meaning is news or information. Okay, so press or news, both. Al-mutahaddis bismi or an-natiq bismi, spokesperson or spokesman. Al-mutahaddis bismi, after ismi, you can use any kind of organization, name of organization, country, party. Okay, bismi al-Hind, like that, spokesperson of India. Okay, so dawriyatun jama dawriyat, I explained it. Petrol, rasada yarsudu rasdan, to monitor, to observe. Okay, let's see further. وعقب ذلك أطلقت دوريات حرس الحدود السعودي طلقات تحذيرية عادت على إثرها القوارب الإيرانية أدراجها، وشدد حرس الحدود على أنه لن يسمح. Okay, you can read it as a active voice or passive voice also. لن يسمح أو لن يسمح بأي تجاوزات في مياه المملكة. Let's see, here is a kind of idiom or phrase. عاد على إثرها القوارب الإيرانية أدراجها. عادت القوارب أدراجها. عاد يعود وعودا, you know, its meaning is to return. Okay, to come back. وكذلك رجع. Okay, Al-Qawarib. Darajun jama adraj means track or road or way or stair, ladder. Okay, many kind of meaning it has. Okay, so its meaning is they they boats, Iranian boats, returned to their track or return to where they came. Okay, it will be more clear. Let's see in English. After that, Aqba dhalika, Saudi border guard patrols fired, atlaqa, yutliqu, fired, warning shots, طلقات تحذيرية, warning shot, following which, على إثرها, following which or after which, على إثرها, Iranian boats returned their track and the border guards that asserted and confirmed and emphasized, okay, that no violation shaddada ala, to assert, okay, you will see. No violation is tajawaza yatajawazu tajawuzan, to surface, to excess. So tajawuzat, accessions, and I translated this with violation. No violation will be allowed. Okay, in case of you are reading it as a passive voice, if you are reading is as a active voice, so they will, who will, they guards harasul hudud as-Saudiya, they will harasul hudud, they will not allow any kind of violation in the waters of kingdom. Let's see some words and their meaning. Atlaqa yutliqu itlaqan, to fire, to shoot. Ada أو raja, you can use ada as well as raja, whichever you want in your sentence if you are using this kind of phrase or idiom. Raja'a darajahu أو adrajahu. Okay, even here you can use plural or singular. Okay, plural and singular. So what the meaning of to return, where to come from, to return, where to come from. Okay, taqahharara, taqahqara, sorry, taqahqara, to reiterate. Shaddada ala shay, to emphasize, to assert, to stress. Samaha yasmahu samahan wa samahan, to allow, to permit. So that's all for today. We'll meet in next video. You can give suggestion and valuable advices in the comment below. Thank you.